walk in the kitchen. I stop and look around. Came in for something, but now I don't know. Just take a minute. Why am I so confused? I need to focus. Keep trying, but it's no use. Not gonna worry. I'm not gonna tell no one. Keep it together, man. The day has just begun. I will get better. I'm gonna be okay. Gotta get going. I have to work today. Where my glasses? Where my phone? I just had them and now they're gone. Where's my wallet? Where my keys? What the hell is going on with me? A senior moment writing fire, call it what you may. A simple fact of life, I'm getting older every day. I make a list and write it down, but I forget it when I go to town. Here's the facts, it's a shame, it really sucks when you lose your brain.